3D simulation is not only a tool for the manufacturer, it's an important tool for any system integrator in the industrial automation business. Whoever is not using simulation right now should start using it immediately. It's a tool that will speed up your layout design process, conceptual sketching a lot. This again means that you can go back to your customer with the new plans immediately, not waiting 2 weeks before somebody in your mechanical engineering department had the time to work out a new layout. Your layouts can be done on the spot by the salespeople, by a basic application engineer, and with very nice visual effects. It will help you to reach out to the right people on the customer side, the decision makers, the VPs, the managers and directors that will finally decide on that investment. They want to see it, they want to understand where they spend their money. Effective and visual 3D simulations are a tool to capture their interest, get their time and see your solution. It helps to reduce the sales cycle, it helps to increase the customer commitment and helps you to have a better hit rate when talking to those customers and securing those deals home.